The best ETFs to look for in 2025. Picture this. It's January 2nd, your brokerage account's at zero, and you've got one shot to get 2025 right. No second takes. These 5 ETFs are the first 5 I'd buy, no arguments, no hype videos, just the combo that's beaten inflation, mailed me a paycheck, and bet on trends still wearing diapers. Ready? Let's roll. Section 1 Growth. If you're itching for speed, Invesco QQQ is the cheat code. It's the 100 biggest non-financial NASDAQ names, Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, wrapped in one ticker. 10-year annualized return? Just shy of 20%. Fee? A sneeze at 0.20%. Want more elbow room? Grab Vanguard Growth ETF, ticker VUG, 170 large cap growers for half the price tag, 0.04%. Both surf tech like a board on a glassy wave. You don't steer, you just stay on. Section 2 Income. Maybe you're done waiting for tomorrow's moonshot and prefer cash hitting the account like clockwork. T. Rowe Price Dividend Growth ETF, TDVG, only hangs out with companies that have hiked dividends 10 years straight. Yields a respectable 2.5% today, backed by snooze fund champs like J and AMP, J and P and AMP, G. Fees 0.34%, dramas near zero. Think of it as the rent check that still shows up when the market's having a toddler moment. Section 3 AI Trend. AI isn't coming, it's already eating lunch. iShares Future I and AMP, Tech ETF, ticker RD, scatters cash across 60 global names pushing machine learning frontiers. 1-year return? Up 28.5%. Expense ratio 0.47%. Want more octane? ARC Autonomous Tech and AMP, Robotics, ARC, is the caffeinated cousin, up 88% this year on self-driving semis and robot surgeons. Fees 0.75%, but if AI really does eat the world, that'll feel like leaving a tip. Section 4 Commodity Hedge. Gold is the portfolio seatbelt, annoying until you need it. SPDR Gold Shares, GLD, is up 24% YTD and stores value in something Powell can't print. Fee 0.40%. Prefer the miners over the metal? The DAX Global Gold Miners Index is on a 71% tear in 2025. But remember, it's leveraged to both bullion prices and whatever the CEO had for breakfast. Treat it like hot sauce, a dash, not a ladle. Section 5 Stability Play. Need the world in one ticker with auto rebalancing? Vanguard Total World Stock ETF, VT, is the globe in a box. 9,000 plus stocks from every corner and sector. Pair it with Fidelity Total Bond ETF, FBND, to sand down the volatility, or grab iShares Core Aggressive Allocation, AOA, 80/20th stocks to bonds pre-mixed for the set it and forget it crowd. 10.6% YTD, fee 0.15%. Go outside, the portfolio's on autopilot. Like and subscribe for more. Which team are you on? Growth with QQQ, Income with TDVG, or AI rockets like RD? Drop your answer below. Smash subscribe if you want a weekly pick-me-up for your portfolio, and check the last video on the 3 rookie mistakes that torpedo ETF investors in year 1. Your future self is already sending thank you notes. Conclusion: these ETFs aren't scratch-offs, they're tools. Use growth to build, income to pay, trends to surf, and stability to sleep. Do your own digging, size them to your life, and I'll see you when the account's green. Thank you for subscribing to Ghost Wallet 69.